The 22nd of June. No announcements, no pre-warning. Just B-2 bombers flying out, hitting Iran's nuclear sites. Fordo, Natanz, Isfahan. One of them buried 200 feet underground. Still it got hit. The next day, Iran fires back, attacking a US base in Qatar. Trump says Iran gave them a heads up to limit human casualties. But here is the big question. What is going on behind the scenes? Why the escalation? And why the sudden risk? Let's break it down. The US unleashed the B-2 bombers, America's most advanced warplanes, in a strike on Iran. Not your average bombers, designed for stealth, built for precision, capable of serious damage. So what made them send B-2s now and not earlier? Why was the timing so precise? No missiles from Iran, nothing urgent. Just a calculated move. And this is not about Iran's actions. The real story is about the players pulling strings from the shadows. That's where AIPAC comes in. What is AIPAC? AIPAC, short for American Israel Public Affairs Committee. It might sound like just another lobby, but don't be fooled. AIPAC is the most powerful lobby in Washington. They don't have soldiers, but they have something more: influence. Shaping policies, writing speeches, influencing votes, pushing for military action, especially when Israel feels threatened. They don't press buttons, but they make sure someone else does. If Israel wants a strike, AIPAC ensures it happens. Why B-2 bombers? Why send B-2s? Fordo, one of Iran's top nuclear sites, is buried deep in a mountain. But these B-2s, they were made to hit exactly that. And this was not just about protecting US interests. This was about sending a message, not just to Iran, but to everyone else watching, Russia, China and the world. And this was not a flex, it was a warning. No one is untouchable. What sparked this? Reports say Israel had been watching Iran's nuclear sites for a while. They saw something. They raised alarms. It was time to act. And that's when AIPAC comes in. AIPAC's role in this? Pressure. They made sure the right people were pushed to take action. And suddenly, the B-2s were on their way. No hesitation, no waiting. Just a strategic move, backed by AIPAC. And this was not just a military strike. It was about showing influence, about reminding the world that Israel calls the shots when it matters. AIPAC is not just a lobby. They are shaping the US foreign policy. They pushed for this and they got it. Its power in the shadows, working through Congress, through the media, and ultimately through the White House. And for the US, this was more than just about hitting Iran. Hit subscribe if you're tired hearing the same old stories. Share it if you're ready to hear the real reason behind the headlines. Still sharp, still standing, still saying what they want. This sent a clear message. If Israel asks, we deliver. No questions, no hesitation. Still think these decisions happen by accident? Sometimes it starts in a back room with whispers, donations, and agendas. The targets got hit, but who actually made the call to launch? The B-2 bombers? You won't see the name on any headlines. This is the Unseen Mic, no face, just facts.